I know a lot of you guys got the new MetaQuest 3S recently, and I know this is a lot of you guys' first headset, so I don't expect you guys to know that much about it. If that's one of you, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be going over the 10 MetaQuest 3S settings you must change immediately once you get the headset. But before we start, make sure to hit that sub button because the next goal is 5,000 subscribers. So I'll give you guys 5 seconds to do that, but while you're doing that, hit that like button too. Make sure notifications are all the way on, so when I post a new video, you guys will get automatically. I'll give you guys 5 seconds. Alright, 5 seconds over, and let's get started with the video. This is Mission Control. The first part is going to be turning on the 120 Hz, if it's available. Hertz, or Hz, in settings typically refers to the refresh rate of display, including how many times per second the screen updates itself. A higher refresh rate results in smoother visuals, which is especially important for the activities like gaming. Alright, now to turn on the 120 Hz on MetaQuest 3S, I'm pretty sure this also applies for the 3, but if not, officially the 3S, first put on your headset and press the meta button on your right controller to open the menu. Then select settings, go to system, tap on display, and toggle the 120 Hz refresh rate if your headset asks to restart. Just restart it and you're good to go. Keep in mind, not all games support 120 Hz, so it may use a bit more battery, but it makes fast-paced games feel way smoother. Move on to number 2. Number 2 is adjust your IPD correctly. Again, I don't expect any of you guys know what IPD means, so this one's super important and most beginners just skip it. An IPD is basically the distance between your eyes. If this is wrong, everything will look a little blurry and your eyes will get tired faster. It's really simple. What you want to do is just wear your MetaQuest 3S and gently move the lenses right until everything looks clear. Set properly, the game looks way sharper and you can play longer without any headaches. Yes, it's very basic. I'm pretty sure it's on the MetaQuest 3S tutorial, but it's very important for your own experience. So please follow this please follow the setting. 3 is reduce the brightness of your headset. People get eye strains, you know, if you're playing on a long time. Maybe you don't want to strain your eyes too much. Maybe your eyes are sensitive to light. Another small thing is to make a big difference with the brightness. A lot of people keep it too high and don't even realize it's hurting their eyes and the battery. Trust me, it also hurts the battery. Then display and lower it a bit, and trust me, your eyes will feel way much better. And your headset battery will last longer too. And there's also a night mode, which also I think captures out all the blue light. So your eyes will feel even much better as long as you play for as long as you play. So I definitely recommend doing that. Number 4 is turning on hand tracking. Yes, it does come in the first tutorial, but it's very sick and people just ignore it and just use the controllers. It's really cool. That's actually one of the best features that MetaQuest 3S, 3, whatever MetaQuest has. Feature is honestly really cool. It lets you control menus or with just your hands, stroke controllers. It feels super futuristic and you guys should be using it tons, and I mean tons of times. If you haven't already did this, go to settings, then movement, then hand tracking, and turn it on. After that, you can just pinch your fingers to select stuff. You can select your menu and everything. It's perfect when you're just chilling and don't want to grab your controllers. It gets annoying. That I don't think you know is that you can also type with this. And when I mean type, you can be as far as you want and you can pinch your fingers to the letters. There's gonna be a keyboard. It's really dope. I definitely recommend doing this rather than controller. 5, we're halfway there. We're at adjust Guardian sensitivity. If you don't know what this is, if you play fast games like Gorilla Tag, this one will save your life. Let's just go to settings, then Guardian, and adjust the sensitivity. This makes movement feel smoother and less annoying while still keeping you safe. 6 is turn on Passthrough shortcut. This one is one of my favorite tricks. Instead of taking off your headset every time, you can double tap and see your real room instead. To do this, just go to settings, Passthrough, and turn on double tap. Super useful if someone calls you or you need to grab something quickly. You can always go back to your game. It's really short, it's really quick, it's instant, it's super beneficial, useful, it's really efficient. It is actually one of my favorites. Enable AirLink. If you have a gaming PC, this is a must. I don't have one, but if you do, this is a must. It lets you play PC VR, yes, PC VR games wirelessly with way better graphics like Gorilla Tag, for example. And everything, settings, and then system, and then go to AirLink and turn it on and connect it to your PC. Just make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi, no cables, and no mess. Number 8, we're almost done. Turn off unused tracking features. A lot of people don't know this, but turning off stuff that you don't use can actually save your battery. To do this, go to settings, and if there's a tracking or a background feature you don't need, just turn them off. This helps your headset last longer, especially during long gaming sessions. Almost done. 9. We are on voice commands. This one is super underrated. You can literally control your headset by talking. Go to settings, system, voice commands, turn it on and faster, and makes everything feel way more high-tech. Again, literally the Siri, Alexa, Google version for Meta. Finally, number 10, hope you guys made it this far. If you do, hit that sub button right now. Glad if you made it this far. You would be a really good MetaQuest 3S player. Number 10 is comfort mode for motion sickness. So if you have motion sickness, this one's for you. If you're new to VR, obviously I know you guys, some of you guys are especially new to VR. You might feel dizzy. This will help you guys a lot. Go to settings, accessibility, and go to comfort. And turn on comfort options. It makes movement feel way smoother and easier for beginners. You can enjoy VR without feeling sick. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys thank you guys so much for watching. Hope some of this settings were actually useful, and I please apply all of these settings. It will be the best experience for you if you apply all of these settings. Trust me, it's worth it. And yeah, if you haven't already, like I said in the beginning, hit that sub button right now because the next goal is 5,000 subscribers. I need your guys' help. Yes, your help to get that 5,000 sub goal. And then after that, we have 10,000. We have way more goals, but our current goal is 5,000. To you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, peace guys. Have a good night. Bye.